Hey PC gamers! Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and Battlefield 6 are locking down with Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 requirements to fight cheaters. Is this a win or a hassle? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this anti-cheat shakeup. Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and Battlefield 6 on PC will require Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 to play. Aimed at stopping cheaters, these changes are stirring debate. Want the full scoop? Keep watching! Activision's rolling out Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 for Call of Duty Black Ops 7, starting with a phased rollout in Black Ops 6's 5th season on August 7, 2025. For now, they're not enforcing it, but it is mandatory for Black Ops 7's launch later this year. Activision says these features check your system at startup but won't slow down gameplay, and they're urging players to enable two-factor authentication, which might become required later. EA is also requiring Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 for Battlefield 6's upcoming beta. These hardware-level protections aim to block cheaters, but some gamers worry about performance hits or being forced to enable unwanted settings. Activision admits anti-cheat tools are not foolproof, but they're doubling down to keep matches fair. These changes can make Call of Duty and Battlefield fairer by cracking down on cheaters, but they're controversial. Requiring Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 might frustrate players who avoid these settings or use older hardware. With both games testing these features now, is this the future of PC gaming security? Let's talk about it. Check your PC's Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 settings to prep for Black Ops 7 and Battlefield 6's beta. Activision and EA want you compliant, so don't get left out. Are you cool with these anti-cheat measures or annoyed by the extra steps? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Secure Boot for Call of Duty and Battlefield 6. Are you hyped for fairer matches or dreading the setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.